Happy Monday! It's time for the Mobile High Five Mobile Marketing Minute. Today's topic is when is the best time to start your SMS text marketing program? And the answer is now. If you want to rock your Q4, you need to make time for people to opt into your program. It's not going to happen in a month. It will take a few months to build your database out. And so you want to be ready for that all-important Q4 so that you can send those offers and get those people in the door. When you integrate a loyalty program, as we do, and build it on a foundation of SMS text rather than email, you will see a much better response to your program simply because texts are read at 98% within 5 minutes. Email today is dropping precipitously. I think it's down to about 13-14% read rate. So if you want your content seen, SMS text is the way to go, and now is the time to build your program.